Dear viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel H2O Chemistry. So in the last few videos, I have been teaching you the textbook evaluation of the lesson atoms and molecules. So to continue with that, in this video I'm going to cover the fourth session, that is true or false, and correct the false statement. So let us go to the questions, that is statements. Two elements sometimes can form more than one compound. Is it true? Yes. So in the ninth standard itself, we have studied a law of multiple proportion, right? So according to that law of multiple proportions, so we have studied carbon and oxygen can combine to form two different compounds, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, right? Similarly, sulfur and oxygen can combine to form more than one compound, sulfur dioxide and sulfur dioxide. If it is so, the statement two elements sometimes can form more than one compound. Yes, is it true? So the answer is true. Okay, next one. Noble gases are diatomic. See, we have studied helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, all are having an independent existence, right? Independent existence, that means they do not combine with any other, so it exists as a single atom, so it's called monoatomic, not diatomic. So the statement is false. So instead of di, I want to write monoatomic. Understand? Okay, next one. The gram atomic mass of an element has no unit. So very good question. The gram atomic mass of an element has no unit. Yes. See, when I talk about gram atomic mass of, let us say, hydrogen is equal to 1. So if there is no gram here, simply we will write atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 AMU. Am I right? But if I replace the AMU by grams, so we used to write gram here, right? So gram atomic mass has unit, gram. But here it's mentioned as the gram atomic mass of an element has a no unit. So the statement is false. So which has a no unit, Kana? Yes, the relative atomic mass has no unit, because it's a pure ratio we have studied. So instead of this, let me write it is a, this is wrong, relative. So the relative atomic mass of an element has no unit. So the now next one is 1 mole of gold and silver has same number of atoms. Is it right? Yeah, we will see, because we know that 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. So if it is a 1 mole of gold or silver, both will have 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of gold and silver. So 1 mole means same number. So the statement is true. Okay, come to the next one, that is molar mass of carbon dioxide is 42 grams. So let us find out what is meant by molar mass. See, mass of 1 mole is called molar mass. Mass of 1 mole is called molar mass. Now tell me, what is the mass of 1 mole? We studied gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide is equal to 1 mole, because so gram molecular mass generally is equal to 1 mole. So here the gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide is equal to 1 mole. Now tell me how to find out the gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide is equal to how many carbon we have? 1 into atomic mass is 12 plus How many oxygen we have? 2. 2 into atomic mass is 16. So 16 is equal to 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 grams, not 42. So the statement is false. This number we have to replace to 44. I hope this idea will be very useful, my dear children. Let us go to the next one, that is assertion and reason in this. So in your book, this topic is given uh, to solve the assertion and reason. So there are two or four different options are given. So let me read out. A and R are correct. R explains A. A is wrong. A is correct. R is wrong. A is wrong. R is correct. A and R are correct, but R does not explain C. So these are the option given for this assertion and reason. So now we will sort out this assertion number 1. So assertion, atomic mass of aluminium is 27. Right. We used to write 13 aluminium 27. So the atomic mass is 27. So the statement is true. Right. So now reason we will see. An atom of aluminium is 27 times heavier than 1 by 12th of mass of carbon 12 atom. Yeah, which is nothing but 1 AMU. So we can say when you compare this 1 by 12 of mass of carbon 12 is equal to 1 AMU means, so the atomic mass of aluminium is 27 AMU. So it is right. The statement is right, and the reason also explains the assertion. So what is the answer here? So the answer is first one, A and R are correct, or explains A. So this is an answer. Now come to the next one. So when you're comparing, you can easily answer, right? Because this is 1 AMU, then mass is 27. So 20 times heavier than 1 AMU, right? So the answer explains. Reason explains the reason explains assertion. The next one, assertion number 2. The relative molecular mass of chlorine is 35.5 EMU. See, I just want to check whether the statement is true or not. The relative molecular mass of chlorine. Okay, what is called molecular mass? Molecular mass of chlorine is equal to 2 into 35.5, its atomic mass, so which is equal to 71 AMU. So it is nothing but molecular mass alone. If I say relative molecular mass, which is a ratio, so ratio does not have any unit, but we have a unit here. So I believe the relative molecular mass has no unit, but here they mentioned unit. So the relative molecular mass of chlorine is, see, if I given 71 without any unit, the statement is correct, right? Or else simply if they mention without this, the molecular mass of chlorine is 71 AMU, that is also correct, but they have given like this, so it is wrong. So because relative molecular mass is a ratio which has a no unit. The reason, the natural abundance of chlorine isotopes are not equal. Okay, let me check the natural abundance. Okay, we will see 17 chlorine 35 and 17 chlorine 37. So in the natural, out of every 100 chlorine, 75 percentage of the chlorine will have the mass of 35, and remaining 25% will have the mass of 37. So they have a different, not equal. The natural abundance of chlorine isotopes are not equal. So this statement is true. But do you think is there any relation between these two terms? No. So the answer for this question, see, assertion is wrong, reason is correct, but R does not explain A. Remember. So which is the right option? As I simply said, A is wrong. Third one, A is wrong and R is correct. So this is an option for this question. Thanks for watching, my dear children. Keep learning. The chemistry will be very simple and easier here. If you like this video, subscribe and click the bell button to get the notification instantly. Share it. Thank you.